Welcome to our channel where we help you navigate financial services, effortlessly discover how to activate your TD Bank credit card. In just a few simple steps, welcome to our channel where we help you navigate financial services. Effortlessly activating your TD Bank credit card is a straightforward process that will have you using your card in no time. Let's dive into the easy steps you need to follow to get started first. Locate your new TD Bank credit card activation sticker or activation packet that came with your card. This packet contains your activation information, including the phone number and website for activation. Second, you can activate your card by calling the toll-free activation number provided on the sticker, or in your mail, simply dial the number and follow the automated prompts. Generally, you'll be asked to enter your card number, the last 4 digits of your social security number, or other personal identification details. Next, if you prefer online activation, visit the official TD Bank activation website. You can find this URL in the materials that came with your card, or simply go to TD Bank's official website and navigate to the credit card activation section. Once there, enter your card details and any requested personal information to verify your identity. Then you will create your PIN number or confirm your existing one. This PIN will be needed for transactions. And to keep your card secure, another option is activating your card through the TD Bank mobile app. Download the app from your device's app store if you haven't already logged into your banking account, and select your new credit card from the list of accounts. Follow the instructions for activation, which usually involve confirming your identity and entering your card details. Remember to have your card and personal identification handy for whichever activation method you choose. Once your card is activated, you should receive a confirmation message or email indicating successful activation. After this point, you can immediately begin using your TD Bank credit card for purchases, payments, and balance inquiries. Lastly, if you encounter any difficulties or have questions during activation, TD Bank customer support is available by phone or through their website to assist you. They can provide immediate help to ensure your card is ready for use without activation. Your card will remain inactive and unusable, so completing this step is essential to enjoy the benefits and convenience of your new TD Bank credit card. Now you know the easiest methods to activate your TD Bank credit card quickly and securely. Don't forget to keep your card details private and never share your PIN with anyone to maintain your security. We hope this step-by-step guide makes your activation process seamless and stress-free. Thank you for watching and get ready to enjoy your new TD Bank credit card.